Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. Here is another special type partial fraction. To solve this fraction, we have to use the long division. At first, x square plus x square minus 4, it is a divisor, and x square plus 3, it is dividend. To make them equal, we are multiplying by 2, multiplying by 1 with x square. Now left side and right side is same, so 1 is the quotient. At first write the 1 and write the result of the multiplication. It is x square minus 4, changing the sign since it is subtraction. So what is the value? Plus 3 plus 4, it is 7. So you can write it is at first the quotient, then top one is the remainder, and bottom one is the divisor. Okay, it is now we have to solve 7 over x square minus 4, this part, by partial fraction, normal partial fraction. Okay, x square minus 4, you can expand it, a square minus b square formula. So it is x minus 2 and x minus x plus 2. Okay, and now I'm using the partial fraction, normal partial fraction rules to solve the 7 over x square minus 4. This is our part to solve it. Then we will get the full answer, final answer. So at first write the 7 over x square minus 4 equal, what is the expand? X minus 2 and x plus 2, right? Yes. A over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 2. Left side is as it is. LCM, do the LCM. X minus 2, x plus 2. So for a, x minus 2 is eliminated. For b, x plus 2 is eliminated. Okay, so cancel out both of them, they are same. So 7 equal a times x plus 2 plus b times x minus 2. It is equation 2, for example, or equation 1. Actually equation 1 is top one. Now put the value of x equals to minus 2. Already you know how to solve the normal partial fraction, or if you want you can watch my previous videos. My previous videos solved the partial fraction, normal partial fraction, lecture 1, 2. Okay, so I'm substituting the x equals to minus 2 over here, and b part, a part must be 0. So b part is b minus 4 minus, yes, 7 over minus 4. And now we have to substitute the x equals to 2, right? X minus 2 equals to 0, it is x equals to 2. These two. So substituting x equals to 2 in the equation 1. Now b part must be 0. A equal 7 over 4, and put the value of a and b in the top equation, main equation. 7 over x minus 2, x plus 2. What is the value of a? It is 7 over 4 x minus 2, and it is you can write the minus sign. B over b, what is the value of b? It is 7 over 4 x plus 2, and put this expression in the main equation. Yes, this is the answer. I hope you understood. This is the answer. Thank you very much.